Go to your Photoshop and create a new project. Select your inches and width and height give 2 inches by 2 inches. Resolution 300 pixels. Color mode RGB color 8-bit and background contents white, and click on create to create the project. After that, go to file, place embedded, and from your computer select the model and place the model in your project. Now you can easily go ahead and resize your model and then hit enter. Now after selecting the model layer, go to select and click on subject. This will automatically select your model. Now press this mask icon to remove your model background. After that, go to file, place embedded, and from your computer select the formal suit and place it. Now go ahead and you have to resize the suit just like this and hit enter on your keyboard. Now right click on the suit layer and rasterize the layer. After that, from the tool panel select this rectangle tool and select the half of the suit just like this. Then go to edit, hover over on transform and select warp. Then using this dot you can just drag and make the suit perfect for your model. Then hit enter, and to deselect this selection press Ctrl D. After select this part half part, and the same way go to edit, transform and select warp. Now go ahead and adjust this side suit just like this and hit enter. Press Ctrl D to deselect. And now we have to remove these model hands and shirt color. So select the model layer and model thumbnail and select the eraser tool and go ahead and click here, click on OK, and just remove this from here just like this. After that, select the suit layer and select eraser, select soft eraser, and then here I'm just erasing a little bit. And that's it. Here we have our final result. Thanks for watching.